Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel Blissful Mandala. Today we are creating this beautiful gold mandala. I chose gold because for me it represents abundance, prosperity, confidence and positive energy. And if you're a beginner, this is one of the best mandala to practice because you will learn dotting, swiping, brushstrokes, micro dotting, filling this empty space, and how design naturally grows from one layer to the next. So I will be guiding you step by step, and let's create it together. Now, as you see, I have already created grid and I've already marked where I'm going to put my dots, and I have already have design in my head. So we'll start with the center dot by placing the dot. I'm using the green acrylic rod, and as you see, the color consistency is so important. But before that, let me tell you, I'm using this purple acrylic rod and I'm placing the dots in each grid like a continuous dotting, and then I'll be doing the micro dotting to complete this circle. So as I was talking about the color consistency, why it is so important is like when it is like say it's a runny and you place the dot, so it will merge the color with one and another dot. So when the consistency is right, your dot will come out good. So in the next circle, I'm using the blue acrylic rod and I'm placing the top dots right now, and then we'll walk the dots around this big circle. And when we are creating this walk the dots, we are also creating the V shape. So that looks like the negative space, or you can call the empty space. So to fill that, sometimes we just simply place dots, or you can just make a swipe. But in this circle, I'm just placing the simple dots to complete or fill that negative space. And in my next circle, I'm using this blue acrylic rod. And if you see, I'm placing the dots on every other grid. So I'm giving a space so that we can create this design by doing the walkie dots. So that's how I'm going to complete the first layer here. And by using this green nail stylist tool, I'm giving a swipe. That's how it creates a second layer on the petal. So on the first layer, if you see, we just did the walkie dots. On the second one, we did the dot, then walk the dots as the first layer, and the second layer by giving the swipes around, we are creating a petal which looks like blooming on the next level. And now to fill this empty space, we are just giving the swipes. And in the next circle, I'm using pink rod and giving the dots, same thing by leaving the one grid in between. And because I have a longer space here, I'm giving the three dots. That's how the petal can look a little bigger, longer. And then I'm going to give swipes around as my first layer and complete the circle with that one first. And the next one, to give the next layer to it, I'm using this brush and giving a brush stroke. So there will be two layers of the brush strokes in this particular circle, and that shows that this petal, this flower is growing with the petals. So gradually it's just blooming, and that's what this design says here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is one simple beginner mandala which we have created one circle at a time. I would love to know which technique you enjoy the most. And here it is, our completed mandala. Thank you for spending this few peaceful moments with me. I hope this mandala brought a little more calm, creativity, and joy into your day. Take care of yourself, keep creating, and remember every beautiful mandala and every beautiful life is created one dot at a time.